Today we are beginning a quest, a journey through the digital world to create a holistic and practical way to build your online security and privacy. Welcome to my 30-day security challenge. Originally, I created this back in 2017 for an older channel, and now I'm updating it for today's technology. Now, if you've ever felt totally overwhelmed trying to lock down your privacy online, then this challenge is for you. What's up, s'mores? I'm Shannon Morse. Welcome to day one of my 30-day security challenge. This is a month-long series designed to help you take control of your privacy and security online. So every day for the next month, with a few breaks built in, we are going to tackle one small practical thing that you can do to make your online life safer. You can follow along with the checklist and a blog version over at shannonrmorse.com, or just hit that playlist on my channel and go day by day. Now, I have been teaching people how to protect their data for well over a decade, and if there is one thing that I have learned, it's that digital security takes a long time. You can't just fix everything in one sitting without totally burning out and just deciding to say, screw it, I guess I'm not secure online. That's why this challenge breaks things down into tiny little doable steps, one day at a time, to help you take back control over your security and privacy without losing your mind. Now, if you are already the kind of person who runs your own home lab, you encrypt your DNS traffic, awesome. You're already well ahead of where I'm gonna go with this. You might find some of this a little bit basic, but this series is meant to be a primer. It's a foundation that you can build upon. My goal is to make sure that by the end of these 30 days, you will be way more secure than you were before. And honestly, your life online will be a lot easier too. Are you getting into things? Yeah. Convenience almost always wins over security for most people, but it really does not have to. So over the next month, I will show you how to make your accounts safer, your passwords smarter, and your devices more private, all with less effort than you would think. Before we dive deep into deleting accounts and encrypting drives and setting up two-factor authentication keys, etc., we need to start with one crucial foundation, which is understanding what you actually own. So many security issues just start because people don't even know what's connected to their accounts or networks anymore. Maybe it's an old tablet in a drawer, an email address that you haven't logged into since high school, or maybe you have a smart plug that's still pinging your Wi-Fi from your last apartment. Knowing what you own and where your data lives is going to be the foundation for everything else in this challenge. So let's get started. Are you eating my hair? You are, aren't you? Stop eating my hair! Now, if you're finding this video helpful, a subscribe would mean so much to me and Zelda as well. Subscribing is a very simple way of showing me which videos you find helpful, which ones you find valuable, and it tells me which direction I should take my channel in. Also, a big Patreon shout out to my s'mores. What are you doing? You're crazy. You're crazy. A big Patreon shout out to my s'mores. You can join them and support my channel by going over to patreon.com/Shannon Morse for perks like early video access and my private Discord. As usual, all the videos on my channel are free to watch, and I thank my YouTube members and my patrons for making that possible. Do not eat cords. No cables. No, not for you. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna... Really? Oh my gosh, this cat. All right, so grab a notebook or open a notes app on your phone, whatever works best for you. We're gonna be taking some notes. You're gonna do 3 different things in your notebook. First is gonna be setting your intentions. Why are you doing this challenge? Have you ever been hacked before? Have you felt the stress or anxiety of potentially losing accounts or having somebody pretend to be you? Do you wanna help protect your friends or family? Is somebody in your life falling to scams? Has somebody lost money because of a theft? Or are you just tired of getting spammed with junk mail? Maybe you just want to declutter your digital spaces. Write down your why. It's what will keep you motivated throughout the month. Next, you want to list your accounts. Write down every single website or service where you have a login. Or if you already have a password manager, we're going to go into more detail about those later on this month. You can simplify this task by just exporting a list of your accounts and just deleting any private information from that spreadsheet. Now, this list is going to entail your email addresses, social media accounts, bank accounts, streaming apps, old gaming accounts that you might not have touched in years, List all of those things in your notebook. No passwords yet, just the names. This is going to be your account inventory. The next thing you want to list is your devices. So write down every single device that you own that connects to the internet. I found the easiest way to do this is to go in each room of my house and do a clockwise circle around the room, looking around for anything that connects. Whenever I see something, I pause and I write it down, whether it's a studio light that's smart connected, or maybe I have a Wi-Fi connected camera, or in this case, I have, what else? Oh, I have a monitor that has Wi-Fi built in. So I have all sorts of items in my studio, and I'm just gonna go in a circle and kind of pick and choose them. I have a litter robot right in front of me, so that's another item that is smart home connected. Your laptop, your phone, your smartwatch, smart home gadgets, even your router is going to be one of those things. If it connects, it counts. This also includes things like lights and smart plugs, TVs, speakers. If you have appliances in your kitchen that connect, luckily all of mine do not connect, so I don't have that problem. Even your car. Your car is going to be one of those Wi-Fi connected devices if you get over-the-air updates from your car manufacturer. Basically, if it has a network setting or a Bluetooth option, it counts. Okay, so next to each and every one of these items, if you want to get really nerdy, you can write down the device name and the model or the type of account it connects to, whether that's Google or Amazon or Apple, and an estimated date of last usage or last update if you know it. If you don't know, that's fine. You can always log into the device or update it when powering it on or checking in its phone app. Oh, and bonus points if you include serial numbers and purchase dates. Those can help you track warranty coverage or file insurance claims if something gets stolen or damaged. Now, this list is going to help you later on when we clean up old accounts, update firmware, and create better backup strategies. Also, another little pro tip, put a little star next to devices that you actively use every week. Everything else, the ones that are just collecting dust, are going to be our focus for deletion or secure recycling in tomorrow's video. Now, while you're at it, you can grab any of the old tech you've got laying around, like old phones and laptops, hard drives, toss them all in a box. We will deal with those in tomorrow's challenge. This is going to help you visualize all the ways that your data travels online. And when you see all of this data written down, it can be kind of mind-blowing how connected our worlds are these days. Now, if you want to make this easier, apps like Home Inventory or even a simple note app like Notion or Google Keep can help you organize this list digitally. I actually type faster than I write with a pen, so I prefer making lists like this on an app like Notion via my phone or via my laptop. Now, whenever I do lists like this is how I would set up my spreadsheet. I'll show you a screenshot of what my own spreadsheet looks like. This is very handy that you can kind of use as a template for your own notebook, and it includes each of these different columns. If you're not sure if you missed something, well, this is kind of new for 2025. Before we move on, take a few minutes to check your major cloud accounts. Check inside Google Dashboard and see which devices are connected there. Apple ID device list, you can check under settings, your name and devices on Apple to see what devices are available under your account. And Microsoft also has the Microsoft account devices. Visit account.microsoft.com/devices to see what devices are available on your Microsoft account. Now, if you see any kind of devices that you don't recognize, notate those now. We will deal with those in upcoming days. So that is it for day one. It's very, very simple. This is just kind of setting you up for success. You just started the process of understanding where your data lives, which is one of the most important steps towards securing it. I know it's not glamorous. This isn't going to go viral. This isn't trending, but this is a security blueprint for your digital life. And you can always come back to these processes in the future. You can rewatch these videos whenever you're ready, and you can do kind of annual declutters and annual clear outs, annual security and privacy checkups. Tomorrow, we're gonna go through these old electronics and make sure they are ready to safely say goodbye to. No personal data left behind. And if you are just joining this challenge, make sure that you are subscribed so you don't miss out on day 2 and all the steps ahead. You can also grab the full checklist on my website. The link's down in the description below and in the comments. If you wanna skip ahead or keep track of your progress, and if you want to support this series directly, join my Patreon at patreon.com/Shannon Morse for early access and some other treats as well. I'm Shannon Morse. I'll see you tomorrow for day 2 of the 30-day security challenge. Stay safe and secure. Bye, y'all.